So Kaito just made a huge announcement which you may want to pay attention to. Even though it is region gated, you as a creator or you with an audience can still partake in it. So now, of course, Kaito just announced the latest opportunity on Kaito Studio. They've announced two so far, which was the Mega Pot, and currently it's the Kalshi stuff. I think it's really interesting because if you have audience that may be located in the US, you have an opportunity to give them this. Once again, the campaign details are here, and it says make $150 from each trader you bring onto Kalshi Perps, not just on the prediction markets, but on the perps. And now the partner rewards, you get $150 for each qualified trader you refer. Now, a qualified trader is a new user which registers through your provided referral link, and the person must complete $50 in notional volume in Kalshi Perps. So they must trade $50 on Kalshi Perps, which they also get a $25 bonus once they finish doing that. So I think it's a real good campaign for people that have a audience in the US, right? So, and for people that are in the US, it's also a huge opportunity for you to jump on this because you could also get some few bucks back for trading $50 volume. And you could also bring people around you, and just trade perps on Kalshi. Now, you have to remember you must generate your link from this platform. For example, you come all the way to campaigns and then you generate your link and you're going to get a designated referral link. So as you guys can see, this is mine. I'm not in the US. In fact, Kalshi prediction markets is blocked in my location. But assuming I had US audiences, they could use this link. If they complete and they finish all the required requirements, then that which is trading perps, $50 perps, and that I could be eligible for $150 reward. So I think it is really decent, and it doesn't take so much. The campaign runs all the way from August 6th to November 6th, so that's a lot of it's a long time, right? And then the thing about it is some people are thinking about this just locally, right? This is Kaito Studio, and it's basically open for YouTube, open for X, open for Instagram. It doesn't matter. Wherever you can get the users for, this is basically affiliate marketing, affiliate networking. So it doesn't matter where you can get the users from. If you want the money, you need to onboard some people that would do real activity, right? So that's pretty much it. And I hope you guys are going to check it through, see, test your might. As you guys can see, this is literally Kalshi, and apparently I cannot even make any predictions in my side, or at least I could not make during the World Cup. But as you guys can see, this is what Kalshi looks like. It's like a prediction market. You can also trade perps. This is the perps action, and you can come over here, 6x, trade the price up and down. Just the regular perpetual market that we know literally everywhere, right? Yeah, the regular perpetual market that we know everywhere. So you can open, you can choose up or down, you can choose the cost, and then you can apply it up to the trade. Wow, it's really, really funny actually. Me that trades perps on centralized and decentralized exchanges, looking at it over here, the interface looks a little bit not like what I'm used to per se, but I think people could get used to it. All right, look at Hype, for example. Hype, you can put the leverage all only up to 2.3x. Okay, then you can also set your take profit and your stop loss, which is something I advise you to always set every now and then. And you can choose if it's going up or it's going down, which is a long and short, right? Good. So, I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Interface is really beautiful. We can see people making money, I think, on shorts, and people making money on longs. It's all transparent, and we're seeing everything balling in real time. So guys, I think you can check this out if you are if you are in the US, because for example, once you come over here and you click on that link. Once you click on that link, for example, over here, let's go to my X account because I already posted it. So once you click on that link, it takes you straight to the perps. You're going to enter your national ID. You're going to also answer some questions, so you cannot bypass this. The first questions are just little details about yourself and how much you make yearly and all of those things. And the next one is your national ID. So you may not be able to bypass this if you're not in the US. So that's where we're going to end this video. See you guys in the next one. Have a wonderful day and peace.